Alright, so far so good. I've already updated on this laptop, and as you can see, everything is good. I did exactly what you told me. I had a little difficulty locating the actual files and didn't know if I should deleted both the databases, including the backup. I don't know if my recent cancellation of Beatport and BeatSource had anything to do with it, because I've seen that was on there, and I don't have the service, activated, for them. I will, hopefully, depending on this COVID. But man, I appreciate you. And as you can see on my other laptop, which happens to be an Elite book, this one's a little later model. I've been having this one on, for quite a while. It's got some other music on there, and yeah, everything, no issues, and it's been running for a while. This is my virtual, well, yeah, I can use virtual DJ on this, but mainly this is my SERATO, laptop, and I use this one strictly for virtual because of this Ryzen 5 processor. With the Prime 4, this one never allows SERATO to connect. With the Intel on this one, I connect real quick with SERATO. But, I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing with my libraries. These are all, my libraries, including this one doesn't have that much inside the laptop. This one has a 1 terabyte, which is all the music that you're seeing here. And yeah, definitely keep y'all updated. I appreciate y'all for all the help. Thanks a lot.